You're making steady progress with every lesson. You're an exceptional typist. Nice work. You're doing a wonderful job. Keep up the good work. You're doing a wonderful job. Keep up the good work.
You're advised to focus on speed, accuracy, not speed. Focus on your accuracy, not speed. So the more accurate you are, the more perfect, you're more faster you'll be in your typing. Follow the step gradually. So after completing this lesson, you'll be given certificate of intermediate level. So now, can you see accuracy
You've
was
made it to
100?
the intermediate
I
level.
typed 24
Let's
words
continue
per
with your
minute.
progress and learn some new keys.
So I'll give you a certificate. I have to choose in between these 5 certificates. I'll choose anyone. You can preview each one by clicking on this, on the dot beside it, and clicking on view to see how it is. So there are 5 types of certificates. Depending on the, let me preview this first one. This one, I prefer this one though. I prefer this one. So can you see I type 24, 25, 27 words per minute. WPM means minute. My accuracy was 95%. So this 3% behind. So the accuracy was okay, 95%. So the speed is 27. So if to screenshot, press the Windows key and print key on your keyboard. So you can cancel. For this one, same thing. You view to screenshots, you press the Windows key plus print screen on your keyboard. So the same thing, preview anyone that you feel is okay for you. Choose anyone. Okay. So this one, to the same thing, preview and screenshot by pressing Windows key and print screen. So the same thing with this. Anyone you prefer, choose anyone among them to go with. So I think I'm okay with this one. Just press Windows print screen. So you can close. Then can you see the level has changed to intermediate? So you're heading to the advanced level. Where that's when to Windows D to minimize. You can now search for your certificate, the screenshot, by going to your file explorer. So that's where you locate your certificates. Since you have already screenshot it, press Windows E to come. Then you move to Pictures Gallery. This PC Picture Gallery. So you open it by press Enter. You locate screenshot folder. Double click or you right click and open or press Enter. Then you locate it there. So you right click and open or press Enter. Open, yeah. You open it or preview. So here it is. I'm using Picasa. It's the Picasa application I have that is enabling me to zoom in and zoom out. So can you see? So my speed was 27 was per minute. So let's